wake up, the morning's over. The bed is soft and warm where we lay. I've dreamed the whole night through of how I'll say to you all the things my heart wants to say.
Minsan iniisip mo, bakit ang hirap ng buhay? Araw-araw kang lumalaban, pero parang walang nagbabago. Pagod ka na. Minsan gusto mo nang sumuko. Pero tandaan mo, lahat ng hirap mo ngayon may dahilan. Life is not about how fast you reach the finish line. It's about how strong you are habang tumatakbo ka. Hindi mo kailangan perfect. Ang mahalaga, hindi ka tumitigil. Kapag pagod ka na, huminga